Hi, Block 1. Today for your homework, we're going to be doing a worksheet, a two-sided sheet. One side is going to be a review of graphing your inequalities from yesterday. You'll notice the number lines. I forgot to put the numbers in there, so you will need to put those in. So what I'd like you to do is on each of these, please put 0 right here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each of these. And same thing down here, putting 0 in the middle, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Remember, if you have two numbers, you're going to have two dots on that inequality. So if it has greater than or less than symbols, you're going to have that open dot looking like an O. If you have the or equal symbol underneath, either less than or equal or possibly greater than or equal right here, you're going to have a dot that is filled in. I did attach the answer key, so we're going to do one side on graphing inequalities. The other side, a little review with our equations here. Some two-step equations at the start. Remember to do that add-up property right away. And then down below, we're going to have some equations with variables on both sides. So remember, your goal is to the add-up prop. Get rid of one of the variables, so your variable's only on one side, and then solve for that variable. I will be doing a kind of a question and answer session again today at 2 o'clock. I will have that link on the Google Classroom if you're interested. Hope you're having a good day. Remember, we have no school tomorrow, and we'll have a short quiz on Tuesday. Thanks, guys. Happy Thursday. Bye.